Today I'll be styling my hair into a half Bantu knot, half fro and alternatively half wig. Hey guys, welcome back. I've gone ahead to part my hair and tuck away the parts I would not be putting in a Bantu knot. So I'll be parting this remaining part of my hair in 4 ways. I believe that it's best to just get a good volume. And I'm also doing a 3-strand braid as opposed to a 2-strand braid. I also believe that it would come out well compared to just the twisting method. To add a bit of style to it, I left out some hair in front, just for style. If you're seeing me for the very first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Naye. I create content tailored to natural hair, a little bit about my lifestyle, fashion, and faith. Now that the braiding is done, I'll just go ahead and form in the knots by going around each of the braid like I am doing right now. Now for the fur effect, I released the part I tucked away in the beginning and just using my hand to puff it a little bit. Now I'm twisting what I left in front just for style, like I mentioned earlier. And there you have it, a Bantu fro, half Bantu knot, half fro with a little bit of finesse. I released the twist just to get another look, and I would say that you should go with what you're feeling the most. Alternatively, let's do the half wig style. So I will tuck my hair away in a manner that lets me put the wig on. I'm using my curly wig for this, but if you have a banded wig, then that is perfect. Because I'm using a normal closure wig, I'll be needing a hairband and bobby pins. Pinning the wig down to my hair is just to hold it in place, and I'm careful not to mess up my wig lace since it's a closure wig. Now I'm placing the band over it just to cover up the pins and the fact that it's a closure wig. Voila, a Bantu wig, half Bantu knots, half wig. I'm in love with these hairstyles. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comment section. Please subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends. I know your friends will want to do this hairstyle. Like this video as well, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Stay blessed and stay winning. Bye.